Today I'm making grilled cola chicken wings. These wings are full of flavor, a family favorite, and the perfect feature for all those upcoming summer barbecues. You'll need 4 pounds of chicken wings, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 can of cola, 1/4 of a cup of tomato paste, 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of cayenne hot pepper sauce, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. To get started, let's get the grill fired up. We'll be grilling over low heat today. While that's heating up, grab a pair of scissors and snip off the wing tips of the chicken and discard. Take a sharp knife and split the wings at the joint into the middle section so it becomes a drumette. In a large bowl, toss the wings in oil, salt, and pepper. The grill is hot and the wings are prepped, so now let's get to cooking. Place on the grill and cook for about 25 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165, turning once in between. The wings are grilled to perfection. Let's make the sauce. In a medium saucepan, heat the cola, garlic, brown sugar, tomato paste, your hot pepper sauce, and the paprika. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat to low, and cook for an additional 10 minutes until it thickens. And now, let's get these wings lost in the sauce. In a large bowl, toss the wings with just half a cup of the sauce and serve the remainder on the side for dipping. I also have this zesty dip I made with some sour cream, mayonnaise, minced garlic, lime juice, and lime zest. You'll definitely have to try these sweet and spicy wings. I wouldn't steer you wrong now, would I? I'd love to hear your feedback on these wings. Post your pictures with your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.